everyone, welcome to Yourpedia Global and this is Shikha. So friends, many of you candidates have already I can say applied for ERASMUS Mundas scholarship program, which is a program which allows you to go for your MS program for 2 years, in 2 universities or more than 2 universities in European Union, which is covering all your travel allowances and a lot of things. So it is the biggest opportunity and it's kind of academic excellence, cultural exchange, lot of things are there. So guys, let me tell you very interesting thing. Some deadlines are still open and you can go for some of the you can say courses and in some of the top universities in European Union. Let's discuss it one by one and let me tell you what are the IELTS score which are required in different universities and how it will work. Maybe some courses are only taking 5.5 band and some courses are also taking 6.5 and somewhere only MOIA will also work it out. So let's just check it out where we can find all these top universities and these top opportunities. So yes, this is for ERASMUS Mundas scholarship program. Applications are still open. See, these are the courses and deadlines. Application deadlines are also mentioned here. Like 28th Feb, this is RESCO, TIFI MSA, EDISS. There are different courses which are still open and I think this may go till 15th May 2026. It means you have still opportunities if you have missed anything. So okay, let's just check it out one by one. Okay, this is RESCO. जो आपका first program है RESCO, that is Renewable Energy and Sustainable Construction. This is open in Hungary, that is Spain and Portugal and Lever France also. Okay, eligibility are also mentioned here. Civil engineering, mechanical, architectural engineering, they can all go for this. Fully funded program, all the details are mentioned. Now let's check it out that what about the IELTS and all these things, right? See, next is TFMASA, Transfers Fluid Materials Aeronautical Sustainable Application. That is the important course and if you are looking for this course in ERASMUS Mundas, Mechanical Materials Aerospace Production, all that candidates go for that. And what are the skills acquired, that also you need to be check it out, right? And see, there is no as such IELTS and TOEFL have been discussed here, but now in that EDISS, Engineering of Data Intensive Intelligent Software System. Now this is very relevant course and if you are looking for this course in top universities of European Union, Abu Academy University, University 8, University Degli Study and Malden University. These are the 4 major universities where you can get this course and deadlines is still there. Okay, so I think this is date has been already mentioned there, you can check it out, March 11, you can check it out. There's a lot of time. Now let's just focus here. TOEFL minimum score you need required 93 and for IELTS only 6.5. So guys, if you also want to target this course in all these top universities, you only need 6.5 IELTS and it's very easy to take it out. Just practice in 15 to 20 days and you can get it out. Okay, now let's check the another one, Biopharm, Bio and Pharmaceutical Material Science. If you are looking for this course in ERASMUS Mundas Joint Master Program, these are the top universities. First of all, University of Pisa, Lille, Celsia in Katowice and Polytechnic University of Catalina. These are the 4 major universities. And what about this IELTS score? Again, if you have taken 6.5 in your each section, basically overall score should be 6.5, you can easily take out this course and deadline is still pending, that is 8th of April. It means still there is a time and you can even practice for IELTS. There is no hurry, there is no as such thing ki we cannot go for the IELTS or there is very less time to prepare. No, IELTS only take 20 to 25 days hardly with your consistent practice if you really want to clear it out. Right? Okay, now let's check the another one, DEAI, Data Engineering and Artificial Intelligence. Okay, so these are the universities which are giving you this course basically as an ERASMUS Mundas joint program, master program. What about the IELTS? Okay, let's just check it out. Very great. TOEFL you only need 72 score and if you have done your IELTS you only required 5.5. See guys, 5.5 is the least band and you can easily take it out with only 10 days of practice, 15 days of practice, 20 days of practice. So it's very easy to score and see if with this less IELTS score you are getting the top universities and you are getting the top courses, so what's the thing basically you cannot achieve. So of course deadline is still pending, that is 30th of April. तो guys still बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम है और 5.45 जो है IELTS में बहुत ईजी होता है लेना. तो अगर आप इस कोर्स को ऑफ कोर्स यू वांट टू गेट इट आउट एंड इन द टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी, सो यू कैन इजीली टेक इट आउट. नाउ Erasmus Mundus again, SUCAT master's degree in sustainable catalysis. These are the top universities, Universite, ठीक है, Roviera and De Aveiro, degree study in so these are the major basically the top universities. Eligibility is MSc Chemistry. Now IELTS B2 level, TOEFL B2 level, that is something you need to be required, and last date is 19th of February is a deadline. Then Erasmus again, ERASMUS master's degree in neuroscience. So these are the universities, University of Bordeaux, Canberra, Cotton, Laval, University of Ireland. These are the top universities in Europe which are giving you this particular course. Eligibility is biology, chemistry, medicine and psychology. English proficiency test, if I have to talk, TOEFL you need 93 and IELTS you only need 6.5. Guys let me tell you, IELTS में आपका 6.5 एक standard ideal band होता है जो आपको out of the 9 you have to take it out, right? See, if you are also a part of this joint master program in Erasmus Mundus and you want to be basically you want to get this opportunity, so it's not very difficult to take 6.5. I'm telling you, this is only taking 6.5. अगर आपको top universities में और in important courses में आपको chance मिल रहा है by only taking 6.5 in IELTS and 93 in TOEFL, there is nothing wrong in that. So you can easily get it, like take it out, just practice for next 15 to 20 days and still deadlines is still pending, that is 20th Feb. Then Inter Maths, master's degree in interdisciplinary maths. So yes, if you are a math student and you want to go for this course, these are the top universities. These are like giving you this, these are offering you this course basically, mathematics, applied mathematics, physics and engineering. See, एक और चीज, TOEFL 80, IELTS 6, only 6. So you only required 6 band in IELTS if you really want to do master's joint program in this mathematics. Very important part, please have a look here. Medium of instruction may work. So friends, if you have also medium of instruction, although it will not work everywhere, but yes, in these top universities and for this particular course, medium of instruction may also work. So if you have that, you can get this opportunity very easily. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे mention है बहुत ज़्यादा, applicants who have conducting their university or secondary school studies in English speaking institution for 1 or more years may just provide evidence that English is the medium of instructions in such institutions. And yes, deadline is 25th February. Now next is Maths Disc, Mathematical Model Simulation and Data Science. So this is the course and these are the universities which are offering you this course. Again, only need 6.5. Only 6.5 you need it for this particular course and this particular university. The deadline is 2nd of March. Then next is MS2, Mechanics of Sustainable Materials and Structures. Okay, these are the top universities. Again, it is only needed your 6.5 band in IELTS and 80 in TOEFL. So guys, देखो, TOEFL, IELTS, PTE, Duolingo. Okay, these are the 4 English proficiency tests which you really need to be go with whenever you are going for any of the, you can say, English country or something for your study. Now this is the Erasmus Mundus Joint Master Program which is giving you 2 plus more than 2 you can say universities to pursue your course in this respective domain. For here, TOEFL and IELTS are mostly basically widely accepted. Why? Because these are something it can easily access and easily check out your communication, your confidence in English language. TOEFL and IELTS, more than a similar kind of thing, but still PT and Duolingo, although is the easiest way, so somewhere it is not accepted. So guys, if you really want to go for these courses, you can go for the TOEFL, either for the IELTS, and it's only need your 6.5 like score in IELTS. 15th May is the deadline. So yes guys, all these courses are very good and in the top universities of European Union, so you can easily go for that. ठीक है, with this particular video, I'm just going to tell you, like my major purpose is to tell you that Erasmus Mundas joint master program is still open. Applications are still open and deadlines are still, they have time, 15th Feb, 20th Feb, 25th Feb, even till May you have time. But yes, there are only for some courses, rest of the courses are already done. So yes, you can check this table very carefully. Here 28th Feb to 15th May. Some courses are still open in Erasmus Munda Joint Master Program, and if you really want to be part of this, please go and apply accordingly. For IELTS, you can take help from Europedia Global. We are mentoring you for IELTS preparation, and it will only take some days to prepare and get only 6.5 bands. See, in every course and in every university, you only need 6.5, the max. 6.5, you can easily take it out. If you will practice for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks, for regular, you can say 1 hour practice, 2 hour practice, you can easily take out that band. And even in some of the universities, MOI, medium of instruction, may also work. So guys, what's the thing that which you cannot achieve? So this is a very good opportunity for academic excellence and cultural exchange basically. So guys, all the candidates who really want to go for that, please do apply. Applications are still open, and yes, Europedia Global is here to help you out in every way. So please connect with us, and you can comment go for your comment section if you really want to ask something, or you can be in touch with us. Some you can say contact number is also given here for Ishita ma'am somewhere, so you can just connect with us. All the very best. Looking forward to your mentor out. Good luck.